If you are also interested in generating these images just by using simple text prompts, then this video is for you. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. Open up your browser and type in Styler.ai. Simply sign up with Google to get into the interface of Styler.ai. Now let's go to new project. Here on the left hand side, you can see an option called text to image. Click on it. Choose a style for your image. Here you have different styles to choose from. I will choose Innocent Cutie. Type in a simple prompt to help guide your video process. For example, MS Dhoni trying to play cricket. You can enhance the style intensity using this slider. And finally click on Stylarize to see the end results. Generating image may take some time, so stay tuned until AI crafts perfect image for you. And here you go. In first trial, 4 images are generated, and to me the results is quite amazing, but they can definitely be better. So now what we can do is select the image and place it on canvas. Click on export, select the file type, select the upscale, and click on export once again to finally download the images. And finally click on save. And that is how you can easily generate images for free using simple text prompts on Styler.ai. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Online Help Guide for more AI adventures.